Welcome to Wild Sourdough. I'm your host, Papa Zaw from Weird Wild Pizza. Here we make awesome recipes from Sourdough Starter. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Today we got 3 sourdough breakfast classics. Sourdough pancakes. 2 cups flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well. 1 cup sourdough starter, 1.5 cup milk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix just until well blended. Scrape the sides. Medium heat. Oil. 1/4 cup of batter per pancake. Cook until pancake starts bubbling. Flip and cook 1 to 2 more minutes, or until golden brown. Remove and repeat. Makes 12 pancakes. Butter those cakes. Syrup time. Sourdough waffles. 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. 1 cup sourdough starter. Crack 2 eggs. Mix eggs and add them. 1/2 cup of milk. 1/4 cup melted butter. Mix until smooth. Preheat waffle maker. Add 1/2 cup of waffle batter. Cook until green light comes on. Carefully remove waffle. 1/2 cup of waffle batter. Half cup of waffle batter. Half cup of waffle batter. Sourdough waffles. Add butter and maple syrup. Sourdough crepes. 2 cups active sourdough starter. 2 eggs. 1/2 cup of milk. 2 tablespoons melted butter. Whisk until smooth. Medium heat. Oil. 1/3 cup crepe batter. Cook 1 to 2 minutes per side until light golden brown. Repeat. Roll them up. Sourdough crepes. Thanks for watching Wild Sourdough. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.